So I had to make this video before I start pumping out videos again on YouTube because I have not posted in 4 months and I've gotten 10,000 subscribers, new subscribers in 4 months. So super stoked about that. So thank you everyone who subscribed to the channel. And this is just an update for the subscribers on this channel because no one's going to type this in, and kind of find this interesting. So anyone who's interested, a lot has changed in my life. All right, I got a new house, a new vehicle, and a new girl. All right, so many things have gone on in the past 4 months, so can't wait to make videos about everything. I bought a house, I renovated it. Something that I wanted to do for the longest time was to renovate a house, rent it, get that positive cash flow. So I recorded a bunch of videos on the renovation. I just need to edit them, and there's just so much I want to share with you guys about my first renovation. Things that I wish I did, things that I'm really glad I did, and I'll run you guys the numbers, what I paid for the house, what I'm getting in rent, and all of that good stuff. And then I'm sure I'll have some vlogs on there with me and my girl and all that good stuff. And another thing is, if you guys are new to the channel, a big part of this channel is my Jeep. All right, so my last Jeep, I built it from scratch. I got a stock Jeep JK and I built it up from scratch, and I turned it into a vehicle that so many people liked on YouTube. I've got so many hits on that Jeep. So I'm really excited to announce it to you guys that I got a brand new Jeep. Well, new to me, it's not brand new, but I'm gonna be starting all over with the modifications, and it's a JL model. So I'm not gonna show you guys the Jeep yet. You guys are gonna have to wait and see in future videos, but I cannot wait. I got some great ideas for this new Jeep. I'm gonna do it not totally different, but I have to do it totally different because it's a JL model. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna make this thing look as nice as possible, as cheap as possible. So that's what I do. I don't just take a vehicle and throw 20,000 at it. I go, okay, this is what I want it to look like. How can I make it look as close to that with the cheapest, budget possible? So a lot of fun videos for you guys. This is just an update video, kind of a boring video, but thanks so much to all the new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. Appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys next time.